We're gonna start this fun project with large brush and blue paint. We'll cover the whole artwork in light blue. After washing and wiping your brush with paper towel, you can dip your brush in dark green and create couple vertical lines. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in light green and create 2 more lines. We'll switch to a medium-sized brush and we'll use red paint to create 4 circles on top of the green lines. Next, we'll create a straight line inside of the circle and then we'll paint everything below that line in red. We'll repeat the same steps for other 3 circles. You can add second layer of red if your paint is too transparent. We'll switch to a small brush and black paint to create 3 brush strokes on left side and 3 brush strokes on the right side of each ladybug. Now we'll outline top part of each ladybug and paint it in. Our next step is to paint 2 antennas for each ladybug. Next, we'll paint 1 small circle on top of each antenna. We'll paint black vertical line in the middle of the red part of each ladybug. We'll paint 2 black circles on the red wings of one of the ladybugs. Next ladybug will have 4 black circles. 2 on one side and 2 on the other side. Our third ladybug will have 3 black spots on one side and 3 black spots on the other side. And the last ladybug will have 4 black spots on one side and 4 black spots on the other side. After washing and wiping your brush with paper towel, you can dip it in white paint and create 2 white circles on each ladybug. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in black paint and add a small black dot in each eye. Our final step will be to sign your name in the corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe.